All right. Hello, guys. I hope I'm live at the moment. So let me just quickly check. Yep, I'm live. Hey, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. This is day two while I'm developing a website and troubleshooting things with you. So, yeah, this is a fresh start. All right. So if I go and show you, all right. So I'm using Claude Pro. I'm at 1% context, and for all models, I'm at 71, and it resets Friday, and today's Sunday, so I don't know like what I'm gonna do. All right, when I ran out of credits, and I spent 41 bucks this month already for Fable and everything else. So, I showed you guys that I'm working on this website. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be working on. I need to change a few things here and there. So here's the quick plan. All right, so I think I'm just gonna turn off my, not turn off, like, yeah, just reduce my volume just a little bit so you don't hear any background noise from my end. So I'm gonna create a few things. All right, so I'm just gonna write right. Okay, so in this screenshot, just gonna say this because this is what I got from my client, and that sucks. So let me just, okay, just log into Claude. Just give me a second. All right, so now I'm back. So I'm just gonna say try again because it's gonna pick up from where it got off. All right, so we don't have to worry about anything here. So I'm just gonna increase the volume just a little bit. All right, so it just need a link and things like that. So I'm just gonna show that, and also for the model, I'm using Opus 5 for this one. All right, so it's gonna just run the dev server and see where it goes. So I'm just gonna remove this, and I'm just gonna see the local host if it's running or not. Okay, the dev server is ready. Right. All right, cool. So if I click here, it takes me to the channel. That's perfect. All right, so this one is done. So this one is gonna be taking some screenshot, and it will troubleshoot itself so that nothing's crazy going on, and that's good because I don't want anything crazy to be happening. All right, and I will give this another section to do that. Mm, all right. So the best thing about Cloud Code or any other platform like vibe coding platform is that you don't need to know like how do you code. The the issue I find using this kind of platform is that you need to figure out, all right, how do you figure out the bugs and everything that is going on, because that's the main issue. Because building a website, it's easier, there's nothing going on, like you just create the prompt and it goes like this. But the main thing starts happening when you are just on the how do I say, in the deployment phase, all right? Because when you are in the like deployment phase, like you will see small bugs here and there, and it's just gonna kill your productivity a lot. Because when you're trying to hand over a project to a client, then he or she will find out that, hey, those small bugs are just killing me. So that's the way like you need to figure out, right? So how do you figure those out, that all right, the bugs is not there? You need to go through the troubleshooting all the time, figure out all right what's going on, things like that. Is
কিছু
going
কইবেন?
Ben? All right, so I just had to speak with my brother just a little bit. So let's see what happened. The travel journal projects and everything. All right. So the homepage is kind of almost changed. All right. Okay. So I am just gonna say because in the image section I already have so many images. All right. So for so the get um, load image slideshow and put this image with the sign up button. So the sign up for you later button. All right, sign up. So slideshow. All right, let's see what it's it comes up with. All right, and I will just have to wait, and let me take a look at some of the things on my YouTube studio, if something is going on or not, or what happened. All right. So 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 what's going on? Streaming software public. All right. All right. Okay. So things are working. All right. And obviously, you guys are hearing some background noise. But I'm curious, like, why it's not showing my screen 100%? Because my face is kind of cut off on the right. And if I can see, yes, like some screen is already cut off, but yeah, I'll just figure that out later. No, it doesn't look. Mhm. Because it's just looking crazy. Because the thing just looks so tall, like it's not working. So what I can do here is that I got some space here. All right. So let's do this. So I'm just gonna mark, because the best thing about AI, they knows what I'm asking for, right? You can. Let's make that. All right. So I just give it the prompt and see what happens. Because right now, like, we do have some space on the left. All right. So if we move the text a little bit left, and then we have this, bring the image a little bit on the left, then uh, this taller image, this will look better. All right. So that's the idea here. So the AI is working. So let me see how much token I'm using right now. I'm at 9%. I'm happy that I'm not burning too much. All right, because like if I'm out of my token, then I'm done for this week, obviously. So yeah, let's see where I can go with this one and what's going on with the AI. And it's reading, it's taking a look at the things, and then let's see. Okay. Okay, okay. So I will do that. Right now, for some reason, it's using too much token. I don't know why, and I don't see any movement on the local host. Alright, so let's wait just a little bit longer. Alright, okay. So let me read the description. Okay, so the text already moved to the left. I like it. So now we just need to move the image a little bit left, so the slideshow works perfectly and we can see more visual for the image. Okay, so it's working here. Alright, cool. So the image moved left. It's looking alright. The one I'm mostly interested in is the image with the icons of the navigation. Yes, it is from, yeah, like it looks nice. Looks good, yeah. I like it. Alright. So let's just push the change. Okay. So I'm just gonna make the changes. They're working just fine. Alright. Zero and implemented the audio stream. I'm not sure like why, but I'm just let me improve the quality just a little bit more so people can hear me. All right, because let's see. To move the image a little bit left so the slideshow works perfectly and we can see more visual for the image. Okay, the problem is that my audio was crazy. It's working here. Right, cool. And so nobody was able to hear me anything. Fine. That's just how it is, and I am really sorry. Because there was so much background noise going on, I couldn't. Like I thought, like I'm just gonna adjust the volume from. Improve the quality just a little. And then everything just fall apart. Okay, we just made some changes. So let me see how much token I used. But I'm at 14%. That's good. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna all set. Okay, that's good. To focus on the admin. Okay. All right. So that's what I have for the admin panel. All right. And the admin panel is the main focus here. So focus on and yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do right now and see what we can do with the admin panel. So I will just the problem with the admin panel is that it's not connected to the local host. And also like I am on the auto accept mode. All right, there are so many other modes here. There is one called manual, edit automatically, plan, and auto. Like I just go with the auto mode for some reason, like, because like I don't know, like, and because it's easier to do. All right, so yeah, like that. That's the plan here. Okay, so let me just take a look at something really quickly. So how much internet I'm using and things like that. My memory use, things are not using too much. My GPU is using like 53%. Um, yeah, I need to improve my video quality as well because the video quality is not looking good. Or is it possible to make it good? Yeah, like it's possible to make it good. Yep, I was just looking at it on 400 pixels. Okay, all right. Okay, just from videos. Overlay. I don't need any overlay. Um, question. Okay. Okay, just let's do that. That is a all right. So I'm just gonna see what this editor comes up with. All right, and see because like right now, uh, I didn't make all the changes she asked for because I don't know. Mm, okay, I can do something here, and I just got a clever fox idea. So let's do that. All right. Okay. All right. So I'll just ask this to push the changes, and then I'm just gonna make a small adjustment for the mobile platform, because this website is mostly gonna be focused for the mobile and not for the web version. And I'm already at 73%. I'm just gonna cry today. Okay. So, yeah, guys, if someone is watching from here, just let me know if you have any questions about website building and how do you run this online, and if you want me to build a live website from the beginning. All right, maybe I'm just gonna do it next week, because as you guys can see, I'm almost running out of token for this week. Like today's what, Sunday, and I feel like that I'm just gonna buy the $100 plan, but right now I'm broke. All right, so I cannot do that, and I wish like they give me a little bit, even a little bit more uh usage. All right, uh because yeah, like they give us like 50% higher credit, but I'm just being greedy here. All right. All right, so in the meantime, let me just do something here. Yeah, this. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna turn off my display capture for a moment, because I'm just gonna bring a new image. Okay. Sign up image. All right. So it's working on the back end, and I don't know what's going on. All right. So I'm just gonna pretend like a stupid guy who doesn't understand anything about anything. All right. And I will be doing this crazy thing until the website is finished 100%. And then I will move for another project soon. But and I'm just gonna build it live as well, because um, I'm just a crazy guy who procrastinate so much. All right. And I don't wanna do that anymore. So that's why I just wanna do it live, show up here, and yep, do the thing. So let's see what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Hmm. All right, guys, and also if someone is joining, let me introduce myself. My name is Tanvir, and I am the owner of Blue Core Automation. I help businesses with AI automation that saves time. All right, and I started my journey this year in 2026 with AI, but I was not in the online industry for a few days. All right, because I've been doing businesses for almost like 6 years, over 6 years now. I started my online journey back in 2018 as a graphic designer, and then like yeah, this is what led me here. All right, and all I think like you guys already know a little bit about me, but if someone is joining new, because the AI is still working on the back end, so I don't have anything to do here without just looking at the screen like a stupid guy. So that's why I'm just introducing myself one more time. So here we are at 28% for the usage. So things are moving well, but we'll see what's going on. All right. And I will just ask you guys, is it right? Okay. Let me clean up. So it's working. All right. And everyone who is watching, just get some water. All right. It's very important to drink water. All right. So just go for it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Mhm. And I don't know about you guys, but if you are just starting your online journey with AI, yeah, this is gonna be a really fun and challenging industry. Uh, I'm not the best guy out here about talking about this, all right. But what I have seen in the last 6 months, uh, all almost a year, I would say, like things are moving so fast. All right, it's moving so fast and it's going crazy. People are jumping in, and yeah, like it's a crazy ride here. All right, everyone is trying to use AI. Everyone is trying to get involved, trying to get their hands on AI and everything around it. So yeah, things can go sideways as well. So the best thing is that to keep yourself alive. All right, and also keep learning, because I also watch YouTube videos from other people how they're doing things, um, and everything around this. Because like if you are not learning about AI, things are moving so fast. Like 2 days ago, the what is it called? Uh, uh, so I'm just gonna push this change for the what is it called, for the admin panel. You see, like I'm just a stupid guy. Like, All right. Things are working. So let me see how much token I used. I don't know, like for some reason my pop-out just goes away. Alright, so I'm at 30% for this session. That's good. I'm happy for that because I'm not burning too much. And right now, I don't know, like I feel like that I should move to Sonnet 5, but then like I am not confident enough to move to like Sonnet 5 for this task. So we'll see. Okay. Okay. No, the developer server is running, so let me see what it comes up with. Okay, cool. So this one is working, so now I just need to like inventory. Okay, so it looks nice for now. Okay, image and the sign up button. Just for the mobile version. So this one is gonna be for mobile version. All right. And lastly, what is the other change I have to make here? Okay. Okay, and also, guys, I'm almost done with this edit here. So I'm at 34%. So I was at 1. I'm at 34%, and as you can see, what I had changed. So yeah, we'll see what happens. All right. Okay, on mobile tab, graphics, label button. All right. This is untouched. Okay, untouched. All right. So the last edit is gonna be on the admin section. All right, and then I'm just gonna uh, upload the changes. All right, and see what happens, because like generative article. Okay, so how do I make that change? All right, so this is not for me to figure out right now, because when I'm just building this, I'm trying to figure things out for my YouTube stream. All right, because like I'm just figuring things out, how it works, how it goes, and things like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes and how it's there. And then obviously I'm just gonna use AI to make it better for tomorrow. All right, if I'm just gonna be building anything. And yeah, we'll see what happens. And right now the AI is still working. It's trying to get something for me, and I hope it's gonna be done soon. So let's go. It's thinking. 6.5k token is gone. Alright, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9, 7k is gone, 7.1. Um, the idea is that not to use too much token, but to get the best result, right? Because 2 days ago I used like Fable 5, and it didn't do the good job for me for some reason. All right, so yeah, like that's why I'm just using Opus 5 here. Focused for. And also, like, why I'm like focusing on mobile friendly, because the client, she wants to do everything on her mobile. And the second thing is that most people are using mobile these days to browse the internet. So that's the second reason. So yeah, like that's how I'm gonna just play things here. So let me see how much token I'm burning. Let's go. I'm at 39 and I'm at 75% usage on Sunday, and I have 4 days to go with my AI credits, and I'm just screwed. That's very good. Yeah, but uh, there are some ways that we can save up some token, and I'm just gonna be showing you that with you guys soon. And another thing is that if you guys are burning token for your Claude subscription or OpenAI subscription or for your Gemini subscription, that means we are going somewhere with this. All right, things are going well. We are working with AI. All right, and you are being productive. All right, so that's what I can say, because if your um, AI usage is like, let's say, like 20% a week for the weekly limit, then I don't think you're using AI too much, or you're not being productive. I know, like, that's just my opinion for that, because last week I burned my token 100%, and then I had to use some extra credit. This week, as you can see, like, I'm already at 75 now. By the time I finish this, I'm just gonna be a little over than, like, around 80%. So yeah, like, that's how it's gonna be, right? So let's go, let's get things going with this one. Okay, things are going well, things are going well. Okay, okay. And I don't know, like, how much token I used for this run in total, but I will show you guys that as well. Okay, so let me take a look at my usage one more time. So I'm still at 75. That's good. Let's stay at 75 forever. All right, that would be amazing. But yeah, like, let's get things going and everything around it. And also, guys, I know, like, you guys watch different people, different streamer or different YouTuber, the big names. All right, but you can always give me ideas. How can I improve my stream here? All right. B- The idea is that, how can I make it more productive for you guys, not just the visually, because anyone can do visually really good, but if there is no value you guys are getting, then there's no point, right? So yeah, like, that's my idea, right? So if you guys can see the value what I'm doing, what I'm sharing with you guys, then this is the best thing to do. Okay, the journal. Okay, if I go to the letters. Okay, so the dev server is going down for a moment, right? And also, if someone is watching and you're trying to build your AI business, just let me know how's everything going on at your end. All right, how are you? What is that you're doing to get clients and things like that? Let me know in the comments. And also, if anyone is gonna be subscribing, that would be amazing. So do that. And yeah, like, if you wanna check out my website and you want any help with AI and building automations, please feel free to reach out. My website is down below in the description so you can see. Okay, so the localhost just turned off. Okay. So what's going on? Why it just went blank? Okay, it says it's gonna restart the local host, but it didn't. So I'm at 57%. Right, I'm back online. Okay, so let's go with this one more time and ask to see if anything can be done for the mobile. So I just added another command. All right. So you guys can do that if you are running it. I'm at 62%. So we'll see how it goes, how far it takes me, and yeah, we'll see where it goes because the website is coming to a shape at the moment and it's just moving. All right, so all the pages, the journal pics looks good. All right. For the photography, like from this one, it looks good as well. For the project, that all thing, yeah, like everything, things are coming somewhere. All right. So yeah, let's do that change and we'll see. And let me see what's going on here. Okay. Okay. So someone is sending me message on Discord for some reason, but I cannot open your message unfortunately. So you just have to wait because I'm using my phone as my webcam. Shout out to me. All right. Because I'm using a laptop. I'm using Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 for my day-to-day task. It got luckily 32 gigs of RAM. Hello there. All right. And yeah, it's got like Core i5 12450H, right? 8 core and 12 thread, I guess. And RTX 3050. Things are good, but the webcam is horrible. All right. So yeah, that's how it is. So I just have to accept the fact that I am using my phone as my webcam just to be sure that people can see me nice and clean. Right. So yeah, let's see how far I can go with this. Um, so I got a comment. All right. It can say, "Did you sell in website?" Yes, yes. This website is for a client, and yeah, like this is uh what I'm doing at the moment. I'm building it in front of you guys so you guys can learn. You guys can sell your offer to people. All right. So I'm just gonna okay. Yeah, like I'm just building this for a client. Yep. So yeah, I am sorry that I didn't see your comment earlier, but yeah, we'll see what we can do in the future. Please, uh, I'm sorry your name is kind of hard to pronounce. Rushmi, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce your name, but yeah, like this is a paid website that I'm building live. Okay. Okay, roll on those photo here. Yeah, buddy, please do the check for the mobile because this is very important for the mobile version. Just do that, and let's figure this out together. All right. And when we are done, we're just gonna push the changes, and we'll see how far we are here. So I'm just gonna write the command already. All right, and just send it when it's done. Okay, it says the shows looks good. Let me take a look at the usage. So I'm at 81%. That's crazy. All right, but yeah, like that's where I am at the moment. Okay, okay, let's go, let's go. All right, so we are almost done with the build here. All right, let's go, let's go. Let's get things going here, and we are at 1 hour mark. And I don't know, like when it went an hour. All right, I'm really shocked that it's been an hour because I can see it's 1 hour and 56, 7, 8 seconds and 1 hour, 1 minute. Yeah, this time just goes by. And luckily, I am almost running out of my token. Okay, Okay. Yes. I'm just gonna compact the whole thing. I should have compact things earlier, right? But I'm just a lazy guy. And for me, I would say like you guys need to do the compact a little more often. I would keep that habit as well because when we are not doing the compact or session handoff or whatever skill that you're using, then if the context is like getting overwhelmed, the AI can hallucinate, and that's not the best practice for your AI, even for Claude, if for whatever model you're using. All right, so you need to like just keep them fresh context. The idea for making it compact is that um, it's gonna give you the context that is going on. All right, but also make sure that it knows. But if you just do a slash command for clear, then it's not gonna know like what it went off, because it's gonna then like take too much token from you, and I don't want that to happen for me. All right, so yeah, like that's gonna be the idea here. All right, so I'm just gonna compact everything. All right, guys, so it was a good stream, I guess, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow with something new build. So I will try to do something tomorrow on Google anti-gravity if I'm out of my cloud usage, because as you guys can see, like I'm almost done with my cloud usage. Like for this session, like I'm at like 86, and for totally I'm at almost 80%. All right, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning, whoever joined, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye. And also make sure to visit Blue Core Automation if you need any help with your AI. Till then, bye bye.